gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Karen. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So guys, I have an unboxing for you. It just showed up today. It's BoxyCharm. It is my PR box. I get gifted Boxy and I'm so excited because not only do I have the base box, I used the products and I'm pretty impressed this month. So let me show you what we got. BoxyCharm is $27.99 plus a $1.99 handling fee. And then you have your taxes and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. And usually the box ranges between $120 and $175. It just depends. You get a mixture of makeup, skincare, beauty tools, all of that. You get a card. The variation that I got looks like it's variation 1. Okay, there'll be different variations out there. Sometimes there's like up to 50. It's pretty crazy. But the prices are on here. A little bit about the products is on here. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. And you guys know, I have been not so impressed in the past. So lately the boxes to me are getting better, but I do want to know what you guys think, what your boxes have been like. Are they different from the PR boxes? Let me know all of that. Okay, let's get into it. So there's one thing in this box I did not use, and it's called the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser by La Palette Beauty. Now this is a brand I have not heard of before. Let's see what it says. It's brand new to Boxy is what it says. It says it's a vitamin C cleanser that helps brighten skin. It's a jelly cleanser and it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. It has an MSRP of $32. I'm concerned with the scent. Now, last month we got the Advent, and that Advent cleanser smells so much like perfume. I really don't like using it, and it feels like it takes forever to get the residue off. Oh, no, wait, that was an Ipsy. Sorry. All right, never mind. I mean, but Ipsy and Boxy are the same, aren't they? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is nice and bright and yellow. I'm wondering if this would be beneficial to put in the skincare fridge since it does contain vitamin C. It's got a seal, but I love me some cleansers. I constantly use something new. This has a light lemon scent, which is totally much better than that Advent. Whew, it just felt like the old Avon perfumes, musks. I was like, well, I was doing that. Okay, so yeah, here's the cleanser. Super excited to try this. Love getting new cleansers. Okay, the next thing is by Murad. And Murad is a great brand. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. It has an $89 value. Stop it. I mean, really? Okay, so I did try this. The scent is light. I'm gonna show you what the bottle looks like. Here it is here. I will put a little bit on my hand. It just feels so cold, and it's been in the house warming too. So just trying it on my hand, obviously, it just makes things smoother. It lets me tell you that, you know, I can tell you a little bit about the concentration. It does feel like lotion. It's not a heavy lotion. That's really all I have so far about this Murad. Okay, next. Oh, I got LaRousse Beauty Special Edition 3-piece eye brush set. I did use them. I am not a fan of floppy brushes. This here, when I was using it, I kind of feel like there's not much control and it takes me longer to blend. So I did use other brushes when I was applying my eyeshadow. Okay, now this brush here, it worked well for packing on the color. It's not for blending. It's definitely for placing color down. It was an okay brush. This one is amazing. This here is like the mini brown brush I'm always talking about in my tutorials. That's good for underneath the eye. It just smokes everything out and I absolutely love this brush. This set has an MSRP of $38. It says it's an exclusive drop. I do like the colors. That's kind of pretty. All right, so moving on, we have by Real Her Blurring Veil Set Your Goal Powder. It has a $25 MSRP, and me see. It is finely milled, I will tell you that, and it looks dark, but let me just show you. It's definitely much lighter than what it looks in here, and I did use it. And as far as blurring properties, slight blurring properties, which is okay. I'm definitely all for blurring a few things on my face. Works for me. Why can I not get this back on here? Okay, hello. Okay, Karen. All right, so now we come to the last thing. It is the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. This is what I have on my eyes. It has a $28 value. Really? I feel like it should have more than that, but not a bad price. I don't know. I mean, the quality of the shadows was pretty amazing. I did use all of them. I started out with this one, then I went in with this one, then I went in with this one, and then of course inner corner, lid. I really did enjoy this palette. It did take me extra blending, but that's because I was using that floppy brush. The other brushes I used to blend my shadow were these, a bling brush and Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. And then I actually went in with a Laura Lee brush as well. So that's everything that I got in my base box. Let's do a quick recap because this was not a bad box. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so we've got the cleanser, which I'm super excited to try. It doesn't have all that thick perfumey kind of smells. We have the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. I don't know if this is a new release or not. I don't think so, but I'm not one that keeps up on Dominique Cosmetics that much. I do know we got blushes recently from that and they were okay. Okay, so next we have the Murad Eye Renewal Serum. Then we have the Real Her Blur Setting Powder. And then we have by LaRousse, the 3 brushes. So I will put the total value of this box on the screen. I have not got my paid box yet. This just showed up today, which I'm super excited. I love it when Boxy comes. BoxyCharm is the only box I get regularly. I did go back to skipping my Ipsy. So I'm just getting my PR boxes and then my paid box this month. And then that's that. So now tell me what you think about BoxyCharm. I know some of you thought they're not getting better. I know some of you thought they were getting better, but I do want to hear all the details down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to talk to you there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing video. If you like unboxings, would you give this video a thumbs up? And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Turn that red button gray, join the family, become a gem. That's what I call you guys, and I cannot wait to get to know you. Thanks, guys. I'll see you real soon in another video.